Don't really know what to do with this roof. The idea of putting on a new roof is kind of intimidating, just to be honest about it. So I'm gonna hit this with sandpaper on a dual action and see what it looks like. Maybe short term we could weld in some patches and put some fiberglass on top of it or something. I don't know. We'll for now I'm going to hit it with some sandpaper and get an idea what it looks like there. Last night, before calling into the night, I put shop towels on the roof and soaked them down with the vinegar. Just did it so the towels would hold the moisture and the vinegar wouldn't just dry out so fast. Didn't really have a good idea for another way to keep it wet. And this is what I woke up to. Those light blue shop towels are pure rust color. So they definitely soaked up a lot of rust overnight. I don't have time to play with it now. I got to get to work, but so that was a very interesting development. Well, you can see it took it down to bare metal in some places. Say it sat until it dried, so we didn't get the most out of it because I wasn't able to be here with it. But for not putting forth any effort into pouring some vinegar onto shop towels, a lot of rust got taken off. It'd take a few more coats for sure, but pretty successful, I'd say.